in the public eye and squirted lemon juice in it. By now you just wish I'd fucking die, but I electrify, get electrocuted, executed by the execution of my flow too quick for the human eye to detect zooming by. Guess who? What's happening, guys? They told me the shit, I fell off that pot, hop right back on that crapper, and I said fuck it, put a capital I. Look who's back to antagonize. You don't like it, you can eat shit, fuck off, little faggot, and die. You right back like a magnet on my dick grabbing in my shit. Better get to the back of the line. If you wanna get your shot at me, what kind of crap is that battle? What kind of rapper would I? Before I let another rapper think he's hot, I'll bury my face in a stinky twat, go hell. Girl, my headspace is limited, ain't even room in the back of my mind. So I ain't thinking about you, I don't got time, and I told you 1,000 times. So how can I find the time to put an alkaline battery in Royce's back and at the same time put juice in mine? God damn, this slaughterhouse is signed! Slaughterhouse!
I'm a menace villain, my pen is sitting, spilling, my lyrics killing. Then I let you witness shit when it hit the ceiling. The niggas willing to give the listeners the sickest feeling, like mixing some Benadryl and penicillin. Then I'm feeling the clip word written. Can you picture my pistol drilling 1,000,000 women and children when I'm illin'? But it isn't real, it's a rap. On the real, it's a rap. How could you possibly stop the apocalypse when I'm atomic bombing the populace? Shock the metropolis, hostile as a kid popping a Glock at his mom's and his pops. Then he hops in his drop with his iPod rocking his slaughterous documentation of lyrics. I write with confidence, write like a columnist / novelist. I'm in this game to demolish it, establish my dominance over prominent rappers. You popping shit to your opposite. I can spit ominous, so spit politics. Now I'm Haile Selassie, Gandhi, and Pac of this hip hop genre. Bitch.
Slaughterhouse!
Lyrically, I'm a cocaine Altoid. Ability to brain, it's a no-brain bout, boy. Physically, I'm literally a cocaine cowboy. Wait, did I just go almost 4 bars without talking about my big dick? The other day, me and your thick bitch had a great date, and we ate cake, and then we walked, and then she tried to jack me off, but she lost, cause she couldn't handle my shake weight. I swear, the irony of Ryan is I am bipolar while I'm rhyming, standing beside a big old white bear. Neither one of us fight fair. You were literally looking at Woody and Wesley in a movie where a white boy ain't got to jump nowhere, cause I'm here. Nigga, I'm on fire, yeah, and I'm every bitch's dream. 1, 2, I'm coming for you, I'm a big old nightmare. Nigga, this is slaughter, step it up. I pretty much slap your ass and tell you to shut the fuck up. After that, I slap your ass again and tell you to shut the fuck up, shutting up. And that's how you body a fucking beat.
Slaughterhouse!
I should be the one that goes nah, get a stopwatch, clock my flow. Hit the button on top, watch your jaw drop. Oh, that, oh, shower. When I drop, I go out of space. Black out like Darth Vader's face. Placed in the molten shower. Say something and get the proper. Mama, papa, pouring out vodka. Mama Mia, and pass me the Caesars. It's Caesar that's in the slaughterhouse. Got better jet boy, go home. Better jet boy, G4 Chrome. Better jet boy, Mark Sanchez, Antonio Holmes. I'm not your any of your homeboys. Sitting in the lab, picking up a pad. I be spitting bad. I'ma get you mad with this. If I have little duck suffering, sick attached. When the trigger blast, I'ma put your beak on your fit head. With a liquor ass. Sip a yak, bad bitch, and a vicious track. I'm better than that. Slide Pro Tools, the both stroke smooth. I coast to the west like we're quicker than that. New York is a piggyback ride to the motherland. Hold on, brother man. On the other hand, get down. I'm gonna fan gun butt you with the eagle handle. Cunningham. I don't wanna talk. I just wanna beef. I don't want a piece. I want it all, baby boy. I don't wanna eat. I wanna feast. Stuff my cheeks with rough pieces of shit. You dumb weak. I'm the one compete.
Insane what they call us. How you married to the game, but you probably should've came to the altar. Every bar like propane for the sword off. You try to hang in and forge you. Imminent Mr. Porter. Slaughter my sentiments, imminent torture. All of your feminine marauders that swim in that water. Men will assault you. Tommy's a bastard, a symbol of sorta. Kidnap your trembling daughter. At least a quarter. I'm a innocent supporters. Got an aura more like Sodom and Gomorrah. Normally something's wrong with me. Blaming the quantity of the porn I see on the porns to me. When I fix the game, they'll think shit came with a warranty. How the fuck they gonna stop what I was born to be? Corn to me, shit belong to me. 2 choices, you can get along with me or sit your faggot ass right there in dormancy. Wait, all he missing is heels to be RuPaul. Ain't nobody that's real ever knew y'all second to none, and I'm dealing with bones whose time I never come now. Deal with the blue balls. You ain't gotta fear me, but you respect me. Niggas who never met me, threaten me, wanna Gillette me. Coming to sword fight against a machete, swinging spaghetti like it's heavy. Some said he deserve an SB in a Chevy like Andretti. Put the Desi where his chest be.